Hey Cosmo, why don't you go outside? Why don't you go outside with him? Oh, shit. Okay, Cosmo, you need to take him outside. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Now, hear the cat? We can't find the bird. I don't see him in that tree. Where'd he go, Cosmo? Where'd he go? He's up in the plant, Dusty. Check it out. I found him. Is that him? I think it is. Cat thinks it is. Okay, I'm gonna open the front door and hope that he flies out. Okay, fly out, little bird. Fly out, little bird. Is that, yeah, that's him. Fly outside, little bird. Fly outside. Oh, the door's shutting. Fly outside, little bird. Go outside, little bird. See him up there? Go outside, little bird. Cosmo, he's up in that plant. He's in that plant, Cosmo. Cosmo. Cosmo, look at me. Cosmo, he's up in that plant. Look. Come on, little bird. Go outside. Go outside, little bird. Go on. Okay, honey, I'm going under the plant to move it a little bit, and maybe he'll go outside. Oh, get outside! Go outside! Oh, shit. Oh, thank God he went outside, honey. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy.